Since 1989, extensive legislation covering health, safety and welfare at work has been in place in Ireland. The farmer, either as an employer or a self-employed person, and the farm is covered by this legislation. Prevention is better than cure, the old saying goes, and this is the approach built into the current health and safety legislation. The approach is based on examining the farm to see what can cause injury or death, and taking action to ensure the possible causes are controlled. The farmer needs to be aware that there are serious legal duties placed on him or her by health and safety legislation. These duties in the legislation aim to prevent farm injury or death by ensuring a safe place of work and the use of safe systems of work. The Safety, Health and Welfare at Work Act 2005 and the Safety, Health and Welfare at Work General Application Regulations. The Act, supplemented by the new regulations, set out how prevention of ill health and accidents in all places of work and for all workers, family members, contractors and visitors is to be achieved. The law sets out the full scope of workplace safety, the organisation and systems necessary to achieve it, the responsibilities and roles of employers, the self-employed and employees, the enforcement procedures where the laws are not followed. Employers are primarily responsible for creating and maintaining a safe and healthy workplace. This includes the management of safety and health in the workplace, including consulting the workforce. A written safety statement, identifying hazards and outlining measures to protect employees, must be prepared. Risks must be evaluated periodically, and a written record of risk assessment kept as part of the safety statement. Competent advice on health and safety matters must be obtained. If necessary, outside advice must be taken. Responsibilities also include providing a safe place of work, safe access and egress, safe systems, safe plant and machinery, information, supervision and training. The costs of safety and health measures in the place of work cannot be passed on to employees. Evacuation plans and contacts with local emergency services must be arranged. Employees who will take on particular responsibilities if an emergency arises must be designated. Where it's necessary to share a place of work, all of the different employers and self-employed persons must cooperate in safety and health matters. Employees, including full or part-time, permanent or temporary, regardless of any employment or contractual arrangement they may have, must take care of their own safety and not do anything that might endanger their colleagues' safety. Cooperate with their employer on health and safety. Report to their supervisor any defects in equipment which might cause a hazard. Use any equipment, tools, machines or chemicals safely. Use any personal protective equipment provided for their safety in the correct manner. The legislation identifies the preparation of a safety statement, including a written risk assessment, as a key part of the prevention approach to safety. A farmer with 3 employees or less can meet his duties as detailed in the legislation by ensuring that a written risk assessment is prepared for the farm. The Farm Safety Self-Assessment document is a practical aid and guide to preparing the written risk assessment. Prevention requires action to be taken to ensure a safe place of work. The Farm Safety Self-Assessment document is the means to manage the actions that need to be taken on the farm to ensure safety. Managing safety is an ongoing process. Safety needs to be included as part of the daily work activity, and a review of overall farm safety should be done at least once a year. The role of the HSA is to promote, enforce, review and update legislation or regulations. The objective of the health and safety legislations is to reduce human suffering and loss due to injuries and death at work. The benefits to the farm, farmer and family that result from ensuring you have a safe farm far outweigh the effort involved, and it is the law.